Okay, so we're right down here, right at the very beginning of Kuta Beach. And after that last big storms a few weeks ago, the Cyclone off Australia, yeah, they've done a lot of work here. The beach was eroded nearly back to the footpath, and it looks like they've just dumped hundreds of truckloads of sand in here to fill it all up. But they're doing something over here. It looks like they're building the rock wall a lot bigger out around here now. This whole corner wasn't even there before. So we're going to walk around and have a look and just see what's going on. Come on, Lucy. Yeah, it's a big surprise. Now, this section here was never rock walled. It was started up there further near the big statue, but it looks like they're starting to put a few rocks in here now, and they're probably going to rock wall the whole thing. Probably about half a kilometre up there, you can see about 400 metres, 500 metres away, you can see where the rock wall actually starts. I suppose they're going to have to do the whole lot here. But just check this out. They're starting to do it, and this here, they've widened up. Looks like they've pulled the footpath out. Come on, Lucy. Whee! Look at that. Wow, look at this. Looks like they've pulled the footpath out. And extended this right out. Wow, they've got about 5 big diggers in here. And yeah, well, there's the footpath there, and you can see the old rock wall right at the green fence there, you know, like. So this is probably about 12, 15 metres wider, they've made it. And it's not big boulders, it's all little sort of black stone, but it looks like they've built a good wall. They must have, I wonder where they got all this sand from. We'll walk up near the digger up here. They're probably digging it out from up there, and we'll just see what's going on. But yeah, you'd think if they weren't going to use this rock wall anymore, they'd take some of these big ones out and actually use them. But looks like trucks been in here just dumping. So we're really nearly at Discovery Mall right now. I'm probably not supposed to be walking on this side of the fence, but bugger it, just having a look. So here they've got it all sandbagged with massive big sandbags. Look at this. All right, so they've got a lot of big boulders right along the front, and then behind the big boulders there, dumping all the smaller boulders there. They've got these huge sandbags here. Yeah, it's just sand. But check out that. So they're actually building maybe because they're worried about Discovery Mall, which is just over here. I suppose in that last cyclone, the waves were coming right up over the footpath and everything. So I'd say that's why they're trying to do it. Now this big pile of rocks up here ahead of us used to be like a big mound. They're actually using that, I suppose. It used to be like a big break wall sort of thing in front of the Discovery Mall, and it looks like it's all sort of been dismantled and knocked down, so they've obviously taken that down and using it for the rock wall. So here's the Discovery Mall in here. We're directly in front of it, and I suppose that's what they're trying to do, so it can't wash away the footpath, and which it wouldn't have washed away the footpath because you already had the rock wall there, but I suppose the waves are just going up into this building site and whatever, and yeah. So there's the 2 big mounds they were big things you could climb up on. People used to fish off them all the time. So looks like they've been knocking them down and using them as the rock wall. Yeah. So you can actually see what the digger's doing here. He's digging a big hole there and pulling all the sand back, and I suppose that's what they've been doing to use it as fill in here. But yeah, doing a lot of work, but they really need to do up along there from where the rock wall starts up there right through here. They've got to end up doing the whole lot. One day Kuta Beach will just be rock wall, I'd say, for a couple of kilometres, you know. which is sad because people don't want to walk down rocks and sit on the beach, you know. And it's actually sort of destroying some of the businesses there, losing a lot of businesses. These little drink boxes and that used to be along there because there's no one there anymore to that sits there because of the rock wall, you know. So anyway, we'll go up and have a closer look at this digger. Might have to climb under the fence up here, I think, get out of here. Alright, so we'll try and get under this fence and get out of here. Okay, so this is the Discovery Mall. Now the Discovery Mall, they have Balinese dances and stuff like that in here of an afternoon, yeah. So I suppose that's what he's doing. He's grabbing all the sand, pulling it back, and then they'll put these sandbags here that are waiting in front of it. So this is good to come down here to Discovery Mall. Especially see the Balinese dances of an afternoon. It's free, you can just come and sit on the stairs and watch the dances in it. So we'll come down one day and we'll do a video on that. Yeah, so you can see these two piles of rocks. They were actually a nice big rounded platform and a flat on top, and everyone used to walk out and fish off them and that. But I'd say that's going to end up rock wall all the way back to there where the rocks finish. Anyway, I thought I'd just bring you down, have a look and see what's going on. The erosion's just getting so bad here on this end of Kuta Beach, the very beginning of Kuta Beach, so there's not much they can do about it but rock wall it. Come on, Lucy, come on. Yeah, I'm not sure what they're going to do out here, whether they're going to have grass on it or seats on it and chairs on it and whatever, or like a little park strip all the way up through there, which would be nice, I suppose. Give people a bit of extra room to walk around and that. But, yeah, I'll Discovery Mall. We'll come to any one day and we'll film the dances and shit going on. So that was just a quick video on yeah, what's happening here with the erosion damage and the rock wall and all that sort of thing. So we'll come back in a couple of months once this is all grassed, and I suppose they're going to have chairs and like an area you can sit out there. I'm not sure really what's going to happen, but yeah. So all this area over here used to be like the graveyard. So when they do cremations and that, a lot of the time they'll do them here on the beach. So what they do, if you haven't got enough money to be cremated straight away, they used to bury you in here in plots, and then later on, once the family's got enough money, they dig you up and cremate you on the beach here. Whether there's still some graves up in the back there, I'm not sure, but these two big posts over here, big roofs, like banjar posts or something, there's two of them. They're basically new, and yeah, there used to be a lot of graves all through here. Looks like there might be one up there. There's sticks around something, or used to be one. Maybe they've moved them all or already cremated them all. Sometimes the government does a mass cremation and people can't afford it. They pay and do everything at one time. Whether they've done that or not, I'm not sure. But anyway, it looks like maybe they've even got the military down here doing a bit of a clean-up. By the look of it, probably all the young guys are in trouble. All the new recruits. Yeah, they're definitely TNI. They've got TNI badges on. So they're military, which is very good. I've never seen that before, of the military down cleaning the beach. So anyway, that's it for the video. I just thought I'd come down, plus I've got a brand new camera, the DJI Action 5, so I'm just testing it out today, seeing what the colours are like. It's really good because I can just pair the DJI microphone straight to it. So this is my test run, so I hope you like that video about the erosion and all that, and I'll see you on the next video.